So let us look at the top 6 money market funds you should consider investing in 2025. This list is based on the fund's performance throughout 2024. I used weekly returns for these money market funds to just do some analysis and come up with an average performance of each of the funds that I'm going to be putting here. This is just a guide to show you which money market fund did well in 2024 so that you can consider investing in it in 2025. So why are money market funds or MMFs such a big deal? I want you to think of money market funds as your chamam, but even with better deals or better terms. Because money market funds are flexible, they are professionally managed, and you can start earning interest from day one of your contributions or day one of your investments. And it will help you build a saving culture and also kickstart your investment journey. And for those people who are already in the investment space, this is a safe way to diversify your investment or to, just start an emergency fund because you need one. So whether you're saving for school fees, you're saving for your first business, or just an emergency fund, money market funds, they offer a safe way to save and also to grow your money. Money market funds are very liquid, because your money is not locked for maybe a period of time. And I know some money market funds that you can withdraw instantly, like as soon as you hit that withdraw button, the money is in your M-Pesa account, and some they take 2 to 3 working days, and you can withdraw anytime, just as you would in a bank account. Only this one you're earning some interest, and I mean, it's very interesting, right? So let 2025 be your year of growing wealth. Let 2025 be a year of growing your wealth. Can I hear an amen? So make sure that you start right away. Start right now. As soon as you watch this video, start by creating an account in some of these money market funds that I'm going to list here. So now you might be wondering, there are so many money market funds out there. How do I choose the right money market fund or the best one for me? Well, I have done the homework for you. I have analyzed how money market funds performed throughout 2024, looking at the consistency. I have also looked at the returns and then the overall accessibility. And from that analysis, here are the top 6 money market funds for 2025, plus one promising newcomer you should keep an eye on. So keep watching for that. First up, we have Ethica Money Market Fund. Ethica consistently led the pack with an impressive 18.3% average gross return in 2024, and that translated to 15.6% after tax returns. And I would say this fund is perfect if you're looking for maximum growth, minimal risk, and also at the same time liquidity. And honestly, if you are serious about investing in money market fund, this one should be at the top of your list. And I have done a video to review Ethica Money Market Fund, so you can take a look at that video. I leave the link in the description box. We have reviewed when the fund was created, the management. We have also done we have looked at the asset that they invest in to just make sure that you are receiving the highest interest rates. Okay, so make sure that you watch that video. Coming in close to Ethica Money Market Fund, we have Lofty Coban Money Market Fund. Lofty Coban delivered 18.2% gross returns and 15.2% after tax returns in 2024. And it's a fund that offers high returns, and as you can see, and a fast access to your cash, making it super convenient for those who value liquidity. And I have also done a video on Lofty Coban Money Market Fund. I will also put the link in the description box so that you can go through it and see whether it's an investment that you would consider. That in the list is Saiton Money Market Fund, and this one has become a favorite for both new and seasoned investors. And I would say there has been a lot of controversies around this money market fund, but I would want to encourage you, or just to put your mind at ease, to tell you that there is no one who has lost money in Saiton Money Market Fund. There has been some issues with the company, but The Saiton Money Market Fund is safe, and it has been offering impressive returns of 18.1% gross returns and 15.4% after-tax returns. So Saiton is well known for its consistent returns, high returns, and I think we should do a video to review this fund to see where they have invested this money to make sure that they are giving their investors great returns. So subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. Number 4 in our list is Kuza Money Market Fund, and Kuza impressed us with a return of 17.8% gross returns and 15.3% after-tax returns. And this fund has been consistently reliable, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking maybe steady growth, yes, of their fund or their investment. Fifth in our list, we have Gen Africa Money Market Fund. They had a 16.9% gross or 14.3% after tax in 2024, and I would say it's ideal for those who prefer steady performance from a proven fund manager. And rounding out the top 6 money market funds in our list, we have N-Wealth Money Market Fund at number 6 with a return of 16.5% and 14% after-tax returns. N-Wealth strike a balance between growth and liquidity, and it's a dependable option for moderate risk investors. So those are my top 6 money market funds that I would consider for 2025. Now let us talk about a promising newcomer, the AvoCap Money Market Fund. AvoCap was launched the other day, just in June 2024. So it doesn't have as much historical data as the others, but it's already showing strong potential, and with a gross return ranging from 16.8% to 17.4% and after-tax returns of about 14.3%. This fund is worth watching in 2025. I think it's a reminder that new players can sometimes shake up the market in exciting ways, and I would like you to type best in the comment section if you would like us to review and do your due diligence on AvoCap Money Market Fund, and it will also help me know that you have watched this video to this far.